Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to use a completely free VPN on Windows. And it's actually really simple and not complicated. So one of the easiest safe options is Proton VPN, since their free plan doesn't have any data limits. So simply go to the Microsoft Store or Proton website and download the app. And once you do that, you then have to install it, then open it up and create a free account. So once you're signed in, you then see a list of free servers. So simply click Quick Connect or pick one of the free locations. So Windows will then pop up a message asking you to allow the VPN connection. So once you see that, simply hit OK and it will connect right away. So you know it's working when you see the green connected status in the app. So to disconnect, simply just press disconnect or close the app if you're done. And that's all you need. So it's actually super easy and you'll then be able to have a free VPN running on your Windows 11. And that's it. So that's how to get a free VPN set up on your Windows. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.